And welcome back. Chairman of the Jamaica Table Tennis Association Affiliates Resolution Committee, Anthony Davis, has resigned from his post with immediate effect. In a letter addressed to incumbent Godfrey Lothian and presidential challenger Andrew Liu and obtained by TVJ Sports, Davis did not give a reason for his resignation. Davis's resignation comes on the heels of a strongly worded letter sent on Tuesday by Lothian, in which he accused the chairman of being biased towards Liu. The letter, which was also signed by 15 affiliates, questioned Davis's handling of the removal of the JDF Table Tennis Club from the affiliates list after Lothian raised questions as to how their affiliation fees were paid. The resignation of Davis is the latest in an ongoing saga which began in September 2019 when the Supreme Court ruled that the JTTA annual general meeting null and void. Davis was brought in by Lothian to help to resolve the issue of the affiliates list, which has been cut from 105 to 45. However, the list is yet to be signed by both Liu and Lothian. When contacted, Davis declined to comment on the matter.